For someone who has never been on the ground in Akron, or I guess the suburbs is where you would specialize in, would you recommend that people take a look at for investors?
Akron itself, there's a lot of good neighborhoods. Highland Square is a great area. North Hill is an upcoming area in Akron. There's good pockets and bad pockets. In general, the areas to stay away from are right around downtown. There's a pocket right downtown where the major businesses are. That's great. But you stray too far from that little pocket and you get into trouble pretty fast.
Okay, so
when the university is downtown, that's a nice pocket to be in, but again, you get a few blocks away from that and it drops off pretty fast.
Okay.
If you're going to invest in Akron, even from out of state, you have to come see for yourself, because just looking at a Zillow map, it doesn't really give you the hints you need. The Akron suburbs in general are fairly nice areas. Ellett is a little suburb of Akron. It's considered part of Akron, but it's a different little township. So there's Ellett and then Mogador, and then you have Springfield Township, and those are great neighborhoods.
Okay.
So we invest mostly in the suburbs, and we've had a really good experience.
For someone who's never been to Akron before, would you recommend that they start looking at Akron, like it's a good place to invest? And if so, why would you think that?
So personally, we've had great success investing in Akron. For out-of-state investors, I would recommend sticking to the areas that are a little bit easier to manage.
And then what are the big economic drivers behind the town?
So healthcare is a big one. Actually, most of our tenants in Cuyahoga Falls are in the healthcare industry. We do have the Amazon warehouse coming in. There's one coming in Akron. There's one not too far up in Cleveland. The area has seen very stable population levels. We feel good about investing in the area and feel like a lot of the suburbs are moving in the right direction and that we're not going to experience massive population decline.
If someone wants to contact you?
So I'm on Instagram. I'm on there every day sharing numbers, construction details. That's probably the best place.